Welcome to the Felt Box. Let us introduce to you our workshop bumper pack, perfect for anyone who loves needle felting. This pack includes 105 beautiful shades of our high-quality carded New Zealand wool. Our wool is one of the best choices for needle felting. It comes as carded wool batting, where the fibres are already blended, making it super easy to work with. The wool is thick with a short fibre length, which makes it great for creating 3D projects. The wool is made from New Zealand sheep and is about 27 microns thick, giving you a balance of softness and strength. With so many colours to choose from, this wool is perfect for both the core of your project and the final touches. So why shop with us? We have over 160 colours to help you find the perfect match for your project. Our wool is chosen specifically for needle felting, giving you great results every time. We offer different weights of single colour wool so you can get exactly what you need at a great value. We have a friendly customer service team that are happy to help with any questions or concerns. We ship quickly so you can get started on your projects sooner. We're a small, female-founded and run business in rural East Northamptonshire, proud to serve our community. Since 2010, the Felt Box has been your trusted source for needle felting supplies. We care about offering top-quality products and supporting our community. Thank you for being a part of our journey.